5 of us in this ancient building. And I asked them, had they brought with them their musical instruments? And they said yes. And I said to Vladimir, can you play the organ? This is like asking a racing driver, does he have a driving license? Vladimir went to the organ, Alexander stayed there, Elizabeth and I sat there, and they started to play. This church has been here since the 12th century. It has seen war and famine, tragedy and birth and renaissance. But a church without congregation starts to become a building, and slowly the building starts to die. That afternoon, thanks to Alexandra and Vladimir, the church came back to life. It was for us, Elizabeth and I, a moving experience. And I said to Alexandra, please, we must do this again at a concert. And of course, he has agreed, and we are here today. We are very, very honored to have such wonderful musicians in such a tiny place as this. And I'm extraordinarily grateful. I will now pass it to Alexandra. Thank you.